You will be terrified after watching this video. We thought the sun was completely silent. We were wrong. In 2021, NASA's Parker Solar Probe did something no spacecraft had ever done before. It flew straight into the sun's atmosphere. Only 3.8 million miles separated it from the sun's surface. Powerful solar winds tried to throw it off course, but Parker kept flying. Then it captured something humanity had never recorded before, the sound of the sun. When scientists converted those signals into audio, it sounded nothing like anyone expected. Now listen for yourself.